Coming in that 6 months after the deadly Ahmedabad Air India flight crash, another Air India plane has suffered zero oil pressure on engine soon after takeoff. It has returned safely to airport. The Air India Delhi to Mumbai flight that had to make a turnaround soon after its takeoff on Monday morning experienced zero oil pressure in one of its engines. The flight landed safely at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport and all passengers were marked safe. So we have CNN News 18's Anvid Srivastav joining us live right now. Anvid, good morning and thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. So what immediate steps has Air India taken to investigate the zero oil pressure issue reported on flight AI 887? Do we know of that yet?
The moment it took off, the pilots experienced something is not good, and we've been told that for standard operating procedures are followed, and the pilots had to shut down one of the affected engines because they experienced zero oil pressure in one of the engine, on the right engine, and so after the Delhi ATC was then controlled and a turnaround was sought, and after receiving clearance, the aircraft landed safely at the Delhi airport. But one official have told us that now a detailed investigation has been launched into this because it's a serious matter. We are also being told that this incident, because when oil pressure drops usually, it means that lubrication to the critical components such as bearings and the turbine shaft, it is cut off, and this can lead to rapid seizures and loss of thrust in the aircraft. In some cases, this also triggers engine fires, and this is why a pilot has to shut down the engine to further not escalate the situation. Now, this also warrants a detailed investigation, and that is why DGC has now launched a detailed investigation into this. Air India also came out with a statement in which they said that they regret the inconvenience and that the aircraft is undergoing necessary checks and alternative arrangements have been made to fly passengers back to their destinations. Now, a detailed investigation has also been launched because this is also serious in nature, and also the 6 months after the disaster struck when AI 171 had experienced fuel cut. However, the fuel cut is different from oil engine cut, but both incidents are serious, and therefore DGC is of the opinion that this matter needs to be investigated in detail.
Right, Anvid, thank you so much for sharing your input with us.